I am going to explain you how we will use post test session in loop, post tested loop. For that, we consider an example. Here, create a Java program to print the output with respect to the choice entered by the user from the given pizza order menu using do while loop. Do while loop is an example of post tested loop. In this loop, process will be proceed firstly and then condition will be checked. So here consider the program import java.util.scanner semicolon public class space pizza hyphen do while braces open public static void main parenthesis begin string space args square bracket open square bracket close parenthesis close. Again second braces open. Here comment is character. This is variable for character whose values may be in alphabet. So ch equals to y. Now int choice is an numeric variable, integral variable whose value is integer like 1 2 3 4. So int choice scanner equals to new scanner system in do braces begin system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin within quotes welcome to pizza order menu system out print in place a delicious order. If our choice will be 1, the process will be place a delicious order. System out print in 2, that means when our choice will be 2, find out your order delivery status. System out print in 3, that means if our choice will be 3, know about our latest offer. System dot out dot print in parenthesis begin 4 provide your feedback. System out print in 5, that means if our choice is equals to 5, exit. We will exit from this pizza menu. System out print in enter your choice. After that, users will enter the choice from 1 to 5. 1 when we want to place a delicious order, in that case we will place 1. When we want to find out our order delivery status, in that case we will press 2. When we will know about our latest offer, in that case we will press 3. Provide your feedback, in that case we will press 4. And when we want to quit from this menu or exit from this menu, in that case we will press 5. So now enter the choice. Choice equals to scanner dot next int function semicolon if choice equals to 1. If choice value is 1, braces begin. So please note. Now continue on the next page. System.out.println parenthesis begin within quotes choose your favorite pizza, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon, braces close for else if choice equals to 2, braces begin, system out, print in within quotes enter your order number to track your order, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon, braces close, else if choice equals to 3, braces begin, system.out.println parenthesis begin, we have various exciting discounts on combos, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon, braces close, is L. If choice equals to 4, braces begin, system out, print in within quotes, please provide your suggestions to improve our service, braces close, else if choice equals to 5, braces begin, system out, print in within quotes, thank you for ordering our pizza, semicolon, break. Break when loop is terminated. Break is the command when loop is terminated. Break, braces close, system out, print in, do you want to continue? If yes, then we will press Y. If no, then we will press N. So please note that. Now on third page, if ch equals to scanner dot next space character function at 0 semicolon braces close while ch equals to y small y or ch equals to capital Y or ch equals to small y. This is for condition is tested at the end of the loop. This condition will not run if the users enter anything other than a small y or capital Y. In that case, condition will not run. Now, both the braces will be closed. After that, we will save this program by the name of pizza-dowhile.java in Notepad. After saving the file, we exit from Notepad and come to the command prompt. In command prompt, we type here java space pizza-dowhile.java. Enter press. Java is the name of our compiler. This B cross stands for space pizza-dowhile. This is the class name, public class name with extension name Java. This is file name. Public class name is treated as a file name. As soon as we enter here, a lot of errors may be come or may not. If error will be come, again we go back to the Notepad and again remove the mistakes and again save and again come to the command prompt and repeat the same things unless and until our program will become error free. When our program will become error free, so we will execute it. To execute it, program is at command prompt java space pizza hyphen do while enter press. After that we will get the result. So please note that.